As its jingle once cheered, a spring, a marvelous thing. Everyone knows it's Slinky. The coil toy certainly is marvelous, if simplistic. But do you know how it was invented? In 1943, mechanical engineer Richard James was designing a device that the Navy could use to secure equipment and shipments on ships while they rocked at sea. As the story goes, he dropped the coiled wires he was tinkering with on the ground and watched them tumble end over end across the floor. Trying to develop a spring that would keep equipment steady on ships, James knocked the coiled metal off a ledge and saw the incredible effect it had. Richard James went home and told his wife, Betty James, about his idea. In 1944, she scoured the dictionary for a fitting name, landing on Slinky, which means sleek and sinuous in movement or outline. During the Vietnam War, soldiers would sometimes use a Slinky as a portable, extendable antenna for their radios, fastening one end to themselves and tossing the other end over a tree branch to get a clear signal. The Slinky has even gone to space. Astronaut Margaret Seddon demonstrated the Slinky's behavior in zero gravity during a telecast from the Discovery Space Shuttle in 1985. It won't slink at all, Seddon said in the telecast.